Today we are talking about celebrity hair. Now, I know a lot of you look at people, whether they're a professional athlete, a social media influencer, an actor, a musician, someone who's super high profile. You see their hair and you just, oh my gosh, I want that hairstyle. And that's like your dream hairstyle. And you're saving pictures from people that are in like movies and during a scene or on TV or something like pretty big, right? Like these pictures are out there on the internet for you because they've been taken at some event or someplace important, and they're being shown on the internet for a reason, and it's usually good ones. Of course, you can search for bad ones, but however, the one thing that's the most important thing to understand when it comes to celebrity hairstyles is that they have celebrity hairstylists. They have people who literally are like, at their call for the most part, to make them look their best so that they can just say that they do so-and-so's hair, right? And obviously it probably pays pretty well too, but to have that communication, that interaction, to be able to work with someone is a big deal for a professional. But that's the thing is, these celebrities or high profile individuals can afford to pay to have someone spend an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours doing their hair, going to events, whatever it is to make them and keep them looking good. So they have an army of people that includes makeup, that includes, hair, the whole broad spectrum of professionals that they have at their disposal because of how big they are, how much money they have. It's just, so you have to understand that, unfortunately, it's not reality for most of us to have all those types of services. So when you see an actor, say Bradley Cooper, for example, in a movie, and you're like, oh my gosh, his hair is perfect, and you take screenshots of it. I want my hair like this. I want my hair like that. It never could look like this. Well, because on set, there's hair and makeup people, each scene, everything happening, there's somebody to put a hair in place, to do this, to do that, like to keep them looking in character all the time. A photo shoot, you take you save an image from a celebrity from like a photo shoot they're doing, like for example, Tom Cruise or Brad Pitt, and Johnny Depp, you find one of their images on the internet from a photo shoot for a magazine, and there's an army of people there trying to make their hair to look perfect for this photo shoot. So just keep that in mind. Now, here's to your advantage, is that a lot of you have incredible hair to work with. So having that celebrity hair is not about the hair itself. It's about how you style it, right? The haircut you have. All of those things are huge, important factors into how your hair looks. You may actually have better hair than a lot of high-profile people. It could be thicker hair. It could be wavier, longer hair, spikier, whatever it is. You actually may have better hair than that person that you think their hair is awesome. So that's easy. Just look in the mirror and be like, my hair feels amazing. I have amazing hair. Yeah, I guess. Then you find the right person, the right products to be able to try to duplicate and show you how to create that look. And that's where the disconnect comes in sometimes, where unfortunately we're not finding stylists, or you're not finding stylists that can provide that service to you, and then you're like upset. Oh my gosh, like here for example, right? Let's just take, this is a short haircut right here, right? A fairly short haircut. I've seen lots of people or professionals butcher this type of haircut because they just simply can't do it properly. Or you may see a picture of, Zac Efron or somebody with this amazing hairstyle on TV or on Google or something. Oh my gosh, I want my hair just like that. Well, where are you seeing them? Are you seeing them like on a Tonight Show somewhere? Are you seeing them on like a morning show? Are you seeing them on a red carpet somewhere? They obviously have people to prep them to look good for that moment. Think of yourself as your own celebrity, right? Make yourself look and feel that way. And it's just learning how to do your hair properly, how to use the right products. I have a full range of hair products, like everything you could possibly need: blow dryers, brushes, shampoos, conditioners, sprays, whatever it is. If you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com, you get 20% off. It's an exclusive code for you all. I'm a professional over 30 years. So I've based my product line off of my own experience as a hairstylist, not like working as a librarian and a part-time manager at night at some convenience store and then making products in my kitchen. Like, I've been a stylist for over 30 years. So all the products I have been geared towards what I think would work best on someone's hair based off of my experience. So you can do it. Think of yourself as having celebrity hair. Find the right stylist. Look at the image of the person that you want your hair to look like. See if you have the same texture, the same density. If you do, go into a salon, go into a barbershop. You know, just don't skimp out on the experience when your hair is that good. Have them tell you, yes, your hair can do this. You've got phenomenal hair. You can do this. You can do that. Yeah, all this stuff. You want them to tell you your hair can do anything. And then, obviously, get the right style for yourself. And that should be it. So, in the comments below, if you are wearing a hairstyle like of somebody that you saw, like, share as many comments as possible. Let me know what's been working for you. Do you now have that hairstyle is it because of my videos? Is it because of my products? Is it because finding the right person? Are you cutting your hair yourself from watching my videos, like, and making your hair look like your own celebrity hairstyles? Like, let me know in the comments below. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.